point, whichever company came, they were hiring almost 3 to 4 students, and in 3 months, 95% of batch was placed.
Once you're working, I think that gives you a sort of independence, and I think it's a good life. It's a different phase altogether. तो लोगों को enjoy करना चाहिए rather than cribbing about it.
Whatever you do, just be confident.
There comes a point when you need additional exposure or what you can do, because I'm still young in the career. You are still young. You are thinking of what next you can do. So
As such, usually people tell कि bank में you have to meet your targets. It's not like that.
अच्छा
बाहर
ऐसा
जाने
मतलब
की
ये
होना
record
था
करो, ये सर ने कुछ बोला अभी
क्या प्लान है?
Hi guys, बोलना था पहले.
अच्छा हाँ गाइस बोलना था सॉरी
Hi guys, my name is Prachi.
हेलो आई एम ऋषभ
तो ऋषभ आज क्या करने जा रहे हैं
So
हम?
we're gonna go meet a couple of alumni, Bombay Curry House in Hebbal. Ask them how's life post ISBR.
And we are going to ask them if there are any tips for us juniors.
Chal, let's go. अरे हाँ,
We also have a surprise for them, so watch till end.
stay tuned. Hello again to everybody. So, question to the group: what's your transition been like from your student life to now? Now you've been working for like 2.5 years. 2 years average. So, अभी transition कैसा रहा है? How was it?
For me, it has been very smooth. Matlab, I have never had any problems because my training in the college and whatever I was doing, it properly aligns to it. And honestly, I have never felt any problem. And after coming to corporate also, there has been proper training. So if you get to a particular company, वो लोग अच्छे से train करेंगे. Plus you are already trained from the college, so it's been smooth for me.
So, since I joined the role 2 years back, everything was like, it was pre-decided that this is your path, you have to go like this. So, it was also easy for me.
Zero efforts. Okay, fine.
what you have learned at that moment as fresher new student, like how is that going to work? If I'm not unlearning anything, how will I learn something?
Got it.
But then after college, when I placed into this, got into training, it was completely new learning what they were training. So only the basics are helpful, but then how you grow, how you accumulate those skills, that helps. And apart from that, yes, you are working in one company, you are good profile, all good, but what do you want to do ahead? So that conversation, if you are already having faculty, if you have that kind of social circle, it helps in your personal life also. That's what I try to do. Read books, gain knowledge, and have that kind of
Ordered icon of
conversation.
difference.
I wake up early due to my logging timings, and you cannot skip that. And yeah, I started cooking also,
Okay, big step.
Big
Yeah, big
transition.
step.
which I was not used to do.
Self-dependent in corporate. We should be upon things right at that moment. We can't leave things like that. So it's a complete transition. And also one more thing, at ISBR I was not waking up so early, but at ANZ it has taught me to wake up so early. So that's
We have key witnesses here.
so that's every morning. It's night. We need to come. So yeah, it's night.
We are in the office when it's dark outside.
Exactly.
You have left ISBR and came into this company. So, like, what's your day-to-day life in the beginning and now? What's the change in your day-to-day life? I would say the routine.
Anybody else wants to start?
कोई तो शुरू करो.
Okay,
पहले
I'll
आप
start.
शुरू करो. आपने last
आप
question
कॉलेज
का
से
answer
बाहर हो
नहीं
चुके
दिया,
हो.
you
नहीं
have
नहीं,
to
you have
realize.
left ISBR. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you are working. Don't do this thing. Okay. Fine. तू जा. वो मत करो. Okay. बोलो बाबू. It's fine.
Day-to-day life, what should I tell? That's doing normal.
मैं समझ नहीं पाया.
उदय ढाबा करके, ठीक है, उदय
अच्छा
हट्स.
वो ये
लगा मैं आज वो
Okay.
एडिट कर देंगे.
हाँ वो नहीं तो ठीक है आपसे नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. Sorry. चलो. So how's the work-life balance? मतलब जो basically लोग बोलते हैं कि you shift from your student to your professional life, work-life balance बिगड़ जाएगी, mid-life crisis हो जाएगा, ये है वो है. How is it for you?
Honestly speaking, उतना हुआ नहीं है.
Okay. क्या नहीं?
Work life balance, mid life crisis.
अच्छा.
दोनों
Mid-life
नहीं
नहीं mid-life
हुआ.
crisis नहीं हुआ.
Crisis
Mid-life
नहीं
crisis
हुआ,
नहीं हुआ.
balance
Balance
हो
हुआ
गया.
है. Okay, fine. Okay, carry on.
So it's again how you are working, then how the culture is, and how managerial support is. So if all is there, you are doing work, everything is good, then the balance automatically comes. The only thing you miss is the social part because you have some friends in college and you drift apart. So that is when like social life balance and work balance comes in between. Otherwise, it's on how you take things.
Olivia?
My time is 7 to 4. I log in 7 to 4 and log out.
Got it.
Not more than that.
Okay.
And also it's dependent upon the manager. Which manager you're supporting. My previous manager was really good.
Okay.
But recently my manager is changed from May and it's little hectic as of now. But still I don't take stress and I log out at 4 o'clock.
Okay.
Same for me. I enjoy working. I mean, everything is very good. Or there's no pressure outside work. Even as such, usually people tell कि bank में you have to meet your targets. It's not like that. If you have a valid reason why you couldn't do something that you didn't do, that's all justified. और ऐसा कुछ pressure नहीं है. Everybody is very understanding. And it's fun to work here. I mean, it's a very different process. You're working for Australian clients, so पूरा बाहर का clientele है. And that's why, I mean, it's pretty good. No pressure whatsoever.
Last
As
हो गए
requested.
तो-
As
Again, I
requested.
would say the same thing. Work-life balance is really good. Managers are really understanding and very friendly.
Thank you.
It all depends on your team, how your team does, how you are getting up with them. So that gives you the comfort in your work. So my work-life balance is social.
I guess work-life balance is really very stable because as soon as I log out, after that no work, and my manager doesn't even ping me or call me, nothing. So it's really very peace in that way.
Lucky.
Yeah, the hours I'm working, only the time I'm working, rest nothing, and after that nobody knows who am I. That's it. I also don't know who is saying it completely.
Fair enough.
It's very nice.
But I think it all depends on how you manage everything. If you're good with your work, you have plenty time, you are dependent again. See, when you're studying, you're dependent on your parents and everything for money and everything. But once you're working, I think that gives you a sort of independence, and I think it's a good life. It's a different phase altogether. तो लोगों को enjoy करना चाहिए rather than cribbing about it. It's not that bad. You grow as individual as well. बहुत सारे changes आते हैं. Of course, you get better, and that's how you prepare yourself for the next thing as well. So इतना crib नहीं करना चाहिए. is what I think.
How do you see yourself progressing in your current position?
Okay, so for me, I'm in assessment of the home loan. So I basically assess whether my client, he should get this loan or he shouldn't, whether he'll be capable of repaying all the debts and everything. So I do that assessment. So for me, the growth is pretty clear here for now. See, there are different type of scenarios. There will be a particular loan amount that you can approve. That happens in India as well. There will be some people who can only approve a certain loan amount. And then you progress, that you will be able to manage a larger fund. So that way my growth is pretty clear here. And again, a good thing, I've had discussions with my manager where I look forward for going to. So he has that plan for me, I have that for me. and probably in the next 6 to 8 months, if at all I keep doing the way I'm doing my work, I have one more promotion, hopefully. And then you have everything. I mean, it's clear.
The path is
Every
very
path is very clear here. You have different grades, and moreover, if you feel that you maybe want to shift to a different team, so inside ANZ it's a very good culture that you can move to separate teams internally. You always have that privilege of going there. So yeah, I think my growth looks good here, and for now I do plan to stick here.
Same question.
Answer is also same.
अरे
Same
यार.
path we
ये
have.
ये देखो
Other
ISBR
Even now, I'm also in assessment, as what Diksha told. Same work even I do. So again, if I repeat that, it's the same thing, right?
So I started here as a KYC ML analyst. So we do all the checkings for like KYC documents and we'll load in the system. So like as we grow in this position, you will become as a checker if you keep on working on your quality bit. And yeah, there is also opportunity for risk and compliance.
I started as an assessor here in assessment space. Then I was doing QC for a while. So to explain easily whatever these guys are doing, whatever work, I was reviewing that and giving approvals whether bank's quality is good or not as per regulatory. And currently I'm in the policy making process. So like I mentioned, in 3 years, so that was my line. But there comes a point when you need additional exposure or what you can do, because I'm still young in the career. You are still young. You are thinking of what next you can do. So that's why. So if my plan, so I'm currently moving. So my plan would be to settle down there first, give it 6 months, understand how the process is, and then based on that, move ahead. 3 years at NZ, I had 3 promotions, and now finally. So you work, you grow. That's the easiest policy.
exact.
So would you like to give some tips to our students, like they are your juniors, so please give some tips for the further life.
placements अब सब कुछ बता.
There are many trainings that the college organizes. So I was in a place where I used to tell people to attend trainings, and I have seen the difference for my own self as well. मैं उन सब trainings में when I was a part of it, of course my communication got better. I gained a lot of confidence, and even your technical skills get better because of all the process trainings that happen. So one thing is for sure you should attend those trainings and all those induction sessions that happen, because you never know which thing will help you. And as I told you, right, my core background was marketing, but then all the different trainings that I attended, I learned Bloomberg. I gave a try for my CISA certification as well, and I did attend finance classes. I tried my level best, and now I'm working in a bank. So you never know what skill will help you well. So always make sure that you grab all the opportunities, and you can always juice out the best of all of them.
Talking about me, I focus more on research. So if I'm applying to a job, so I research more about the company which I'm applying, what do they do, what's their main earning, and where am I going into the process. So what I'm gonna do. So what skills are required. So do this gap analysis. So improve your skills. Try to be a step ahead of others, of your peers. So you're always stand out of the crowd if you do these things.
Whatever you do, just be confident. Okay, not overconfidence, but confident. I was a student, very introvert, and I also went through all the trainings which ISBR gave. I attended those trainings, but the only thing which helped me to crack my interview was the confidence. That's it.
So I think especially to survive in corporate, it's very compulsory. You have to learn, unlearn and relearn. That's how you grow, that's how you change. And if you are learning something, it should be continued, because otherwise change has no meaning without continued. That's what I feel. That's my take.
When he mentioned that probably he was correct in everything, but then he was a little nervous. So there are many mock interviews as well that are being organized. So of course they will help. I am pretty sure even these people will agree that those mock interviews do help. And there was one more thing that we were doing in our batch. We were doing peer sessions. So maybe let's say you are good in your communication, but she's very good with the technical knowledge. So maybe you both can team up and you can have an interview between yourselves and then give each other feedbacks. Maybe that will work. So that will of course build your confidence because one feedback which comes from your peer that you won't take so much on your head. It's just very friendly, but then that will help you improve a lot.
And yeah, you have to be confident on yourself and keep working on yourself. And only be confident. Whatever you say, whatever you give in the interview, be confident.
Currently, we are living in a very competitive environment and competitive industry. So, only thing constant is change. So, just keep learning new things, attend all the trainings, and apart from trainings and what you are studying in class, you have to do your own research on how you want to grow as an individual, and then align yourself with your future goals. Apart from that, it all comes in like all these guys said. You have to be confident, you have to keep working, and be honest with your own skills and what is required so that you can plan your future ahead.
अच्छा
बाहर
ऐसा
जाने
पहले
की
ये
होना
रिकॉर्ड
था
करो, ये सर ने कुछ बोला अभी
अरे there are new things which happened in their batch. One is the Placecom statics. The second thing was the live projects. They didn't do internships.
Okay.
This batch did not do internships. This batch did only live projects. So what happened was when they did live projects in the summers, they parallelly got ready for the placements. So they had the time to get trained, better equipped, better evolved. So when companies came, the conversion was fast. He rightly said minimum 3 to 4 students getting selected for every job opportunity. Not a single student rejected in the process. 100% success rate. These are certain milestones which this batch has accomplished. They have accomplished different milestones of getting better opportunities, high packages, having a struggle in the infrastructure plus coping up with academics and placements, yet being able to accomplish almost equivalent to what placement percentage was nearby. So yeah, I mean these batches I would return, and of course Yang's batch had a very different struggle. So I mean if you were to ask me as an area chair for 3 last years, it has been a kind of a roller coaster. So amazing kids in this batch, their batch, Yang's batch, all of them have got their own strategy. But yeah, the best part was they all stood up to the occasion. None of them felt demotivated that what is going to happen. And everybody had the self-belief that they will get what they have come here for. So they got. So you can see their faces, you can see what they have accomplished is all a function of that. So yeah, I mean, ISBR is doing what it's doing, but ultimately they are the people who are the stakeholders and they should be more satisfied and talking more about it. But yeah, the reason I said this because you witness three batches who have gone through different stages of their academic learning, career advancement, experiential learning, all of that. And every year new things have been introduced. Kudos to you guys, I would say. Yes to us, we have been always there a guiding force. And I think the outcome is in front of you, what you are expecting.
So first year when Placecom Statics was started and new placement initiation was started by Amit sir and Amina ma'am. So because of COVID, काफी tough situation. The companies were not coming. Then even though they were coming, they were agreeing to something, but then they were going back. There were multiple companies when Amit sir were sitting till 9. We were just supporting conditions. So but even though whatever the situation was, we were still able to attend 96% placement, and that was at the first go. So even though companies were not coming, but training sessions and everything was so on point. Whichever company came, they were hiring almost 3 to 4 students, and in 3 months 95% of batch was placed. And even after the batch was passed out, people who are not placed, they were still getting support from college in terms of placement. And as of now, I think everyone from my batch is placed and doing well.
The session is over. Questions have been asked, answers have been given. Food has been eaten, bill has not been paid yet. So before that, we'll give them the gift. Token of appreciation and love from ISBR, from Aubrey. And the ज्ञान that you have given us. वी आर थैंक्स फॉर यू टुडे। अच्छा ठीक है, तो आपको गिफ्ट नहीं मिलता, ठीक है? अरे नहीं, ये सर्टिफिकेट वाली हरकत करेंगे हम यहाँ पे, ऐसे रुक जाएंगे। स्मॉल फ्लेक्स कर दिया तो कर दिया, ये आपके लिए। हाँ हंसना ही। अरे वही तो कह रहा हूँ, लेकिन इसी में डाल दो। All the best. Thank you. चलो, so दिन खत्म करते हैं. See you next time. Bye. Meet and greet is done. Alumni से मिले. Got a lot of insights. Very helpful. How was your day? कोई बात नहीं, मैं बोल दिया है तो.
यार काफ़ी अच्छा लगा, काफ़ी अच्छा इंटरेक्शन था. मिलके लगा ही नहीं कि फर्स्ट टाइम मिले हैं.
ऐसा लग रहा था कुंभ के मेले में बिछड़ा हुआ कई भाई बहन मिल गए हमारे. तो एक
अपना फीलिंग आया.
एक तरीके से वैसे ही है. They're also passed out from the same college. So very insightful and see you guys next time. Bye.